The Benefits of Trading Futures, sponsored by CME Group and Ninja Trader. Traders and investors, many of you know what Bitcoin is. That is referred to as the spot. But many of you don't know that there are Bitcoin futures and options on Bitcoin futures. In today's quick video, I'll be speaking with Family Office Director of Invinium, Michael Crudele, about the benefits of using and trading Bitcoin futures. Mike, most traders know that there is a spot Bitcoin and futures on Bitcoin, even options on Bitcoin futures. Explain to the traders and investors out there the difference between the two, and also talk about some times when maybe you would use spot or futures over spot.
Yeah, thanks. And thanks for having me, Anthony. Good to see you again. I've been active in futures and also cryptocurrencies over the last several years, so I can kind of see the advantages and disadvantages to both. I think, spot Bitcoin represents some challenges and things you want to think about. I mean, you got to think about wallet and security. You might be hacked. You have to think about the tax consequences. And those are all complicated challenges worth pursuing, but there's a lot to think about. The futures offers a lot of simplicity, and that's really what I like about it. It gives you access to the market. I think for people that want to trade, get in, get out, be active, maybe use it to hedge against different things, Bitcoin futures and options offer an alternative. It's very simple, easy to use, easy access if you're connected to CME, and it gets you in the game, the Bitcoin game, if that's of interest to you. Wouldn't want to discourage people from looking at exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and many others. But it's just, you want to do your homework there. If you've never bought a cryptocurrency, you really want to look into the taxes and securities, wallets, and make sure you understand those things before you jump into it. I know for me, I jumped right into it, and then I realized, oh boy, there's a lot of work I need to do here. And so just think about that. But for access to the market, Bitcoin moves, and I suspect the liquidity will grow in these markets on the CME over time.
Mike, thank you so much for making some great points and really explaining the difference between the two and how you actually use one or the other in specific situations. Thanks again for explaining to all of our traders and investors out there the difference and the benefits of using Bitcoin futures.
Great. Thanks for having me. Good to talk to you guys.
A key takeaway from Mike's great explanation of the benefits of using Bitcoin futures is many of you out there maybe have been a little bit uncertain about buying the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. But with futures, you can still gain exposure to Bitcoin without owning any of the underlying cryptocurrency. Thank you again for watching The Benefits of Futures.